everyone. My name is Ria. I'm going to talk about the invisible Murphy bed, and I am standing over it. And we can open this and see it. My father is opening it, and there's a leg. So the leg will be here. And this is my drawing. I'll show my other drawing. Hey, where is this thing?
Hi, this is our Murphy bed. We have had this for the past 1.5 years and so far it works good. When it's down, it becomes our guest bedroom, and when it's up, it becomes our study room. And it's got a green board and a white board for the kids to draw with a chalk or with a marker. And so far we have been enjoying it.